Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me for our 15th Gardeners Giveaway video. I feel like I'm getting my second wind. We've done so many of them now, and I was feeling a little tired, but I'm ready to go. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. A lot of times when I'm pinging some of our vendors and I'm asking them if they would like to provide some freebies, they look at my subscriber count and they say, you don't have enough subscribers for us to give away an item. So let's get the number up so that I can get some really good stuff for you. So with that, let's talk about the spotlight that we did 2 days ago. And that was for Paul Zimmerman's book, Everyday Roses. You need to plan 2 weeks if you want to have that in time for a gift, because Paul takes the time to sign it and then get it out to you. So keep that in mind. Wasn't it fun looking at Paul's website? From his bio to his resume to all of the fun things on his site. I really enjoyed when you all commented and you noted that Paul went to school initially to be an aerospace engineer and then decided it wasn't for him and he went to clown school. I think that is so fun. Let's go ahead and give away 2 books. Our first winner is TJ Knight. Our second winner is Susan Smith. So thank you both for subscribing to the channel and commenting. I can't wait to get that book out to you. You'll probably get your copy before I get mine. So you'll have to send me a message and tell me how amazing it is. Our spotlight today is on Menagerie Farm and Flower. My husband didn't know what menagerie meant, so he looked it up, and it's a diverse collection. They do have a diverse collection. They're located in Sacramento, California. Not only do they have bare root roses, they've got potted roses, they've got prunes. Their prunes are so awesome that they are sold to Sunsweet, and I'm sure you've seen those in your stores. They have cut roses that are available for floral designers. And then she offers classes and events. Menagerie has a Facebook page, Instagram with almost 35,000 followers on Instagram, and then also a Pinterest page. So if you are on her webpage now, you'll see that her wreaths for the holidays are up and they are beautiful. I heard that they're also going to have some kind of a gift box that they put together. And when I looked at what they did last year, in their gift box, they offered a pair of pruners, a pot, an apron. I'm not sure what else, but it was a fun little gift. They also have gift certificates, of course, in $25 denominations. So this is a great way to, if you need a gift really quick, grab that digital gift card. The bare root roses that are offered on their site, if you go now, you'll see that they all say sold out. Well, that's just part of getting ready for the January launch. The bare roots will launch in January for spring shipping. I haven't ordered from Menagerie yet. So I am planning on buying from them in January. But what I can share with you is the pictures that I saw last year that people were posting of their Menagerie bare roots. They're really, really nice. A good size, great quality, and I haven't heard anything negative about Menagerie. So give that consideration and start making your wish list of what you're hoping to get during their launch in January. And as a note, people, they have William Morris. At least it's on the site right now. So I think there's going to be a mad dash for William Morris. They've got a lot of other really pretty varieties to consider. So there is a signed book that's available on the website now. It's a pre-order and it'll be available starting in February. The book is signed by Felicia, the owner. And let me just read this to you. Do you dream of your own magical rose garden or thriving flower farm? Yes. Whether you long to fill your own acreage with roses or consider yourself more of a weekend gardener, Menagerie Flower Farm and Flower's Felicia Alvarez can help make your love affair with roses a joyous and rewarding experience. Whatever your level of passion, with her 20 plus years of farming experience, Felicia will guide you with sound advice and detailed horticultural knowledge. So guess who wants a book? I am going to have so many wonderful books through the winter to keep me busy until spring gardening begins again. So Felicia has been so generous that she's giving away 2 books. So let's go ahead and do a drawing. And what I would like for you all to do is go to her website and check out those roses, the bare roots that are going to be available in January. And I'd like you to comment down below with what you're planning on getting. So thanks so much, and I'll see you for tomorrow's giveaway.